see. Oh, this is a perfect size. My family loves to eat these. Okay, thank you, Dee.
We know that there is this really urgent need to make nutritious diets more accessible for different populations, and that is paralleled with this escalating public health crisis of overweight, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. So what we're trying to do here really addresses those needs.
I had the opportunity to work with UNH Cooperative Extension. They had been doing work in the Bhutanese refugee population, which at the time of the study, they were the largest refugee group residing in New Hampshire.
People who came here, they are getting diabetes, cholesterol, high cholesterol, and all the health, like high blood pressure and everything. I think it is due to the food that we eat and the lack of exercises.
Individuals from the Indian subcontinent, so that includes India, Pakistan, Bhutan, Nepal, are actually at higher risk for developing diabetes than other groups within the United States. Really what we wanted to do was to see whether SNAP education is efficacious among refugee populations. And so we did a randomized controlled trial where one group received the SNAP education. It was 6 lessons over a 6 to 7 week period. The other arm didn't receive any education, and we got some biomarkers and measures of dietary quality through 24-hour recalls. And we compared the two groups to see how diet changed and how these risk factors for developing cardiovascular disease or diabetes changed over time.
Because of this focus of my research in the gut microbiome, I've been contributing to the project by analyzing gut microbiome data from this population and associating it with the participants' dietary intake and their health. This research is scientifically interesting and innovative and significant, but it's also a great opportunity for training of graduate students and undergraduate students as well.
We have a lot of unique equipment and technology that we use in our lab. It's really exciting to be able to share that with the UNH community, particularly with undergraduate students, and that they can use this new technology in their own research and their own senior theses and explore things that they're really interested in as well.
I think one of the main take-homes is that when we're thinking about applying a nutrition education program or dietary intervention to a new population that it wasn't designed for specifically, that we should take the steps to do some formative research to better understand how we can modify the program to be more culturally appropriate for the group that you're going to work with.
So as far as my side of the project, the outcome of this research would be that we would understand more about these gut microbiome diet relationships.
I make a lot of changes. I myself have I have a borderline cholesterol and I have a borderline diabetes, but now I don't have, because I make those changes on my diet. That is the outcome of this research and the classes that we took. And I myself is the example of those changes.
I was excited to be able to start to interact with the people who might benefit the most from our research findings. It's just been great in order to make connections with people. It's also helped me to realize what are some other things that we can research where we need more information.